Malacanang reiterates the government's determination to fight smuggling activities in the country. Presidential spokesman Edwin Lascerda made the statement in reaction to reports that the Bureau of Customs has submitted to the president a list of individuals allegedly involved in rice smuggling.
The one thrust of Commissioner Sevilla is to open data in the website sa dashboard ng data.gov.ph at saka may sarili silang portal. Ilalabas doon ang mga presyo, ang mga duties, kung sino nag-import. All this for the purpose of the public to verify kung yung mga customs duties na binabayaran ng, for instance, specific consignees are correct. In the launching, so lahat po yan may plano po ang Customs, ang Bureau of Customs, ilabas ang mga datos na hindi naman confidential ang nature. So, ilalabas po yan for everyone to see kung tama ba ang binabayad ng ilang mga consignees.